So I've got lots to do. Got to build this stud up, which is a bit technical stud that. It's not normal. Got to build another stud up there. That's going to have a full shelving. This one's going to be the tricky part. We're going to have to sort the floor out, tank it, ready for the wet room. There's my tray. Thought we'd best bring the good guns out, you know what I mean? Bring the old nail gun out for time and longevity, you know what I mean, lads? We have to make sure that it's got a bit of charge in it. The only problem is with this, I ain't got the old Pablo nails. I've got the DeWalt nails, but I don't like them. I think they're that ribbon's too tight, and I think it don't let it flow through the gun, and I don't like. But never mind. It is what it is. We'll do what we do. Bish bash bosh. And then once you've done that, you want to pull your saw back a little bit, tweak it down, yeah? That means that blade's not going through the floor. Then, because what we're going to do is, the electricians are the next worst thing. They run them all over as you stick your cables up, cables touching the floors. You know what I mean? Then what you have to do is, because we're going to use these boards, don't go willy-nilly just trying to pull this up because you're never going to do it. So, alter your saw. Channel like that, and then pop your board up, and then you're going to have a perfect board for everywhere else. Bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. One-on-one lesson how you drill this hole. So what we're doing, you can put a pilot bit through. I'm not using a pilot bit because I has the these are what we call muscles, and when you got muscles you can hold it. The reason why I'm doing this and not lad doing this, because he just can't hold the drill. There's too much power there. Do you know what I mean? Too much power for him. So he pulls the cord out. So now we have to bend the cord to make it work. So it's just easier to do it myself. Now there is an handle for this, but it just gets in way for me, so I don't need it because I'm going to put my bill in there. So when you're drilling, you should always make sure you're drilling on a slant. Do you know what I mean? That slant there, lads. Always drilling on a slant. Always keeping the eyes straight. My eye's like a laser, so it's easy for me, but if it's not for you, you can put a ring on there and you can tell which way it's going, yeah? So keep it tight. See this? We just have to tweak it. I think I might need a sparky or something. And that's it. And that's how easy it is. You know what I mean? You don't have to spend like 10 hours drilling it all. You spend like, what would that less than 30 seconds? Beautiful. Got to jam that back down. Right then, I've had a stop because we've had a bit of a technical glitch. So, see, me being chief electrician, I think I've found the problem. But is there going to be enough for me to cut it off? So I think it's, where is it there? See that? See that? So, me think. Oh yeah, man. See that? See that? Who needs a Sparky? Who needs a Sparky when you got MJC kitchen and bathroom? Right, we're going to tweak that together. What have I got to connect this? My old Todger. Right, let's have a look at these. I think the other one's there. So, we're going to go from no cord drill to a new souped up model. So I mean, we won't need a trigger switch. It's going to be on permanent, but it's going to work. Isn't it? It's going to work. Just need a short on this cable. Now, I won't recommend this at home, especially only chief electricians are allowed to do this. If you're not, I don't want to see you touching electrics because the electrics is very dangerous. Remember that. Right, we'll find the Jubilee clip and let's see if it works. Bish bash bosh. Right then, so look at that. It's just like a dream. This is what you call, that's B. And this is what you call a bush tucker. Know when you're in jungle. And we've got to make sure that it works. This is going to make it work. And I bet this lasts for another 20 years now. Do you know what I mean? Maybe when my Sparky gets back off his holidays, we might get him to attach it in properly, but if it's working and it's not shocking us, do you know what I mean? We only have solutions at MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. And then what we do is we make sure, you've always got to think about someone's safety, especially if lads are using it. What I'm going to do is let them test it first because it was them. So take that out. Make sure we put some more vents in. There, it's plugged in. Oh, hey, look at that. Now that is how you repair a cord drill on site. When you need it, you need it. Beautiful. Got me all straight out, nice and tidy. Pipe goes through that, cemented up. Beautiful.